In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to your Squarespace website. We'll go through the process directly inside Squarespace, and this is a great option if you already own a domain and want to link it to your site so visitors can access your website using your custom web address. To begin, go to your Squarespace site dashboard and look to the bottom left corner. Click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main configuration options for your website, including domain settings. Once you're in settings, click on Domains and Email. This section controls how your website connects to custom domains and related services. From there, click on Domains to open the Domain Management area. Now select Use a domain I own. This option is for connecting a domain that you purchased somewhere else, rather than buying a new one through Squarespace. In the field provided, type in the domain you already have. Make sure you enter it carefully, since even a small typo can cause connection issues later. After entering the domain, click Connect Domain. Squarespace will then ask you to choose your domain provider. If your domain is registered with a supported provider such as GoDaddy, Google Domains, or Namecheap, select the appropriate option from the list. If your provider isn't shown, just click Other instead. Once you've selected the correct provider, click Connect Domain again to move forward. At this point, Squarespace will begin the setup process, and you should see a message indicating that the connection is in progress. This is normal, and it means the platform is starting to establish the link between your domain and your website. Next, click Continue. This will take you further into the domain connection flow. After that, click Domain Overview at the top. This area gives you a summary of the current status of your domain connection, so it's a useful place to check whether everything is moving along properly. You may then see a notice explaining that it can take up to 48 hours to finish the connection process. That's completely standard with domain connections because DNS changes often need time to update across the internet. In many cases, it may happen sooner, but it's important to allow the full window before assuming something is wrong. And that's the process for connecting a domain to your Squarespace website. If the connection doesn't complete right away, give it some time and keep checking the domain overview page for status updates. Once the connection finishes, your custom domain should start directing visitors to your Squarespace site.